Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the MetaTrader 5 application if it is not working properly. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to use the MetaTrader 5 application, but the application keeps on crashing and you cannot use the application pretty much, then the first thing that you will need to make sure is that your internet connection is running smoothly. If your internet is working just fine, then try checking for any updates for the MetaTrader application. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then tap on the search button and search for the MetaTrader 5 app. Once you find the application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this to install the latest updates. After this process, try running the application once again and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, long press on this application and tap on the info button. Now, from the application info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application first, and then you can scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage page, try clearing your cache by tapping on clear cache and see if this fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, then click on clear data at the bottom left as well and tap on delete to delete all of your user data. After this, you will be asked to log in to your account once again when you open up MetaTrader 5. But now the application should be running pretty well. And there you have it. That is how you can solve your issues if the MetaTrader 5 application is not working properly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.